Today I will show you the color schemes of interior design. So all in all, there are 3 different color schemes. The first one is the monochromatic color scheme. This is when you use different shades, tones and tints of a single color. And this is how it can look like. This creates a cohesive and harmonious look, with variations in lightness and darkness. You can also combine it with some accent colors, as in this image in gold and black. Just be careful not to use too bright colors, as it can create a very strong look, and keep it as light as possible. The next one is the analogous color scheme. This is a combination of colors that are adjacent to each other on the color wheel. This can create a harmonious and cohesive look with variations in tone and intensity. Depending on colors, it can create a calming and relaxing atmosphere. It is important to vary the intensity and the tone of the colors to avoid any monotonous or flat appearance. But also here the rule is, if you want to go with an intense color, make sure you don't add too many accents in a different color tone. The last one is the complementary color scheme. This is a combination of 2 colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. This creates a bold and dynamic look with the contrasting colors. These color schemes are commonly used to create a vibrant atmosphere. It's important to balance the use of each color and incorporate neutral elements to avoid overwhelming the space.